Now let's build this part of the garden. We have to cut. This pipe has 19 millimeters of diameter but 500 length here, and we have a elbow here and a cap and the start here 500, and this one is 1450. This is 19 of diameter, and this part here 500, 13 of diameter, and this little piece here, each one have 65. I have to cut 500 mil of this pipe. Like this pipe, this have 13 millimeters of diameter, and go to the end of the pipe and fold a little bit the edge and put a cable tie. And from this one here, you can make some little bit point in the end of the pipe, and the measurement 80 between each point. Look at the mark here and pressure. That's it.